Look, over there. Someone's sitting in your chair. There's something familiar about this person. They have an uncanny, striking resemblance to you. Same height, same shoe size, and same eye color. But as you look closer, you'll notice subtle differences. They're eating cleaner and looking healthier, younger even. They're exercising regularly, and they're definitely training harder. They're so much more focused and driving bigger results. They're following up and following through on all commitments. They're taking initiative, they're moving faster, and they're making things happen. Say hello to the new and improved you. The new and improved you knows the same things that you know. They've had the same successes and made the same mistakes. They strive to live up to the same virtues, and they struggle with the same vices. The new and improved you is not perfect, just a better version of who you were yesterday. The difference between who you are now and the new and improved you begins with the choices that you make today. The new and improved you decides that it's far better to face a fear, to overcome it, than it is to run away from it. The new and improved you decides that speed and initiative produces better results than procrastination and excuses. The new and improved you decides that the suffering cost of failure are always more expensive than the suffering cost of success. The new and improved you knows that just as you know that pursuing your dreams is scary, it's uncomfortable and challenging. The new and improved you chooses to become their own hero, to go north and to confidently move in the direction of their dreams. The new and improved you knows that the thrill is in the chase, that happiness is motion, and that you should pursue your goals that are just beyond your reach. The new and improved you knows the only person that they're in competition with is who they were yesterday, and you know it too. And the new and improved you also knows that when it comes to your goals, that everything you think, say, and do counts.